North Carolina is suing FEMA right now for grant money that was pulled in April. Not long after the cancellation, Chantel hit our area and rising waters damaged the pumping station. Right now, there's a temporary fix keeping this plant going.
So none of those pumps there are working right now, and that's why you have the exterior pumps?
Correct. Nothing down in that room is working.
North Carolina Attorney General Jeff Jackson stepped beyond the caution tape to see where flooding knocked the Hillsborough's wastewater treatment plant pumping station offline. The infrastructure sits along the Eno River and was supposed to be moved to safer ground.
This was not FEMA's money to cancel. This was a congressionally approved program.
Hillsborough had a grant approved for nearly $7 million in FEMA grant money to move its wastewater pumping station. An official says the current infrastructure is outdated.
This whole field is in a floodplain, so it was underwater.
The town wants to relocate it north of here and out of the 500-year floodplain. When the pumping station went offline during Chantel, Hillsborough couldn't provide residents clean water, and Durham stepped in to help.
It is pretty devastating because the money that we have lost is causing us to revamp our capital improvement plan.
ABC 11 reached out to FEMA for comment. FEMA told ABC News in April the grant program in question that this grant is from was, quote, wasteful and ineffective and more concerned with political agendas than helping Americans affected by natural disasters.
If you want to make FEMA more efficient, do it. If you want to make sure that local towns have more power over how that money is spent, do it. Here's a local town telling you that they have a major risk with this piece of infrastructure. And the reason we know that they're being serious is because it just flooded about 2 weeks ago.
North Carolina is suing for $200 million in FEMA grant money. Jackson says the state will be asking the court to treat the situation as an emergency, requesting a preliminary injunction and expecting a hearing to take place in the next several weeks. In Hillsborough, Elena Athens, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.